are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have completed the question answer of Think About It from our lesson number 3, the Midnight Visitor. Now, in this video we have completed Talk About It. Question number 1 from Talk About It. In this story, Osabel shows great presence of mind or the ability to think quickly and act calmly and wisely. In a situation of danger and surprise, give example from your own experience or narrate a story which shows someone's presence of mind. In the answer, students, in the story, The Midnight Visitor, Osabel shows great presence of mind or the ability to think quickly and act calmly and wisely in a situation or danger. Such a similar presence of mind is shown by Garrett in the story or play If I Were You. When Garrett is held hostage by a criminal, he not only treats him as a guest but also traps him with his confidence. Garrett convinces the criminal that he is also a criminal. He tells him to run away through the exit door, which actually is a cupboard. The criminal believes Garrett and gets trapped in the cupboard while Garrett calls the police. Thus, it is his presence of mind that helps him get out of difficult situation. In question number 2, students, describe what you would do in the situations described below. Remember that presence of mind comes out of a state of mental preparedness. If you have thought about possible problems or dangers and about how to act in such situations, you have a better chance of dealing with such situations if they do arise. Now, first one is a small fire starts in your kitchen. Second, a child starts to choke on a piece of food. Third, an electrical appliance starts to hiss and gives out sparks. Fourth, a bicycle knocks down a pedestrian. Fifth, it rains continuously for more than 24 hours. Sixth, a member of your family does not return home at the usual or expected time. Now here the first one is, if a small fire starts in my kitchen, I would first look for its source. If it is due to an electrical problem, a blanket should be put over the fire to shut out the air. If the fire is not due to an electrical problem, water can be thrown on it. If it is due to a short circuit, electricity must be disconnected immediately before taking any other measure. Second, when a child starts to choke on a piece of food, the child's back must be thumbed slowly until the piece of food stuck in the child's mouth is vomited out. However, in case it continues, the child should be given trained medical aid immediately. Third, when an electrical appliance starts to hiss and gives out sparks, the electricity supply to appliance should be immediately disconnected. If it is plugged into a socket, the plug must be removed from the socket. Later on, the appliance should be repaired by an authorized person. Fourth, if a bicycle knocks down a pedestrian, first aid should be given to the injured person at once. Public help may also be asked if necessary. Depending on the seriousness of the injury, the affected person may be shifted to a hospital. Next, flooding may be caused by a heavy downpour, so all necessary precautions for saving various possessions should be taken, besides informing the concerned authorities to take preventive action. Sixth one, a family member not returning home at the usual time should be inquired for at the place he or she was expected to visit. If he or she was with his friend, these friends or friends' families should be contacted. If there is no result from these inquiries, as a last resort, means last option, the local police may be informed. So students, here we complete our talk about it questions So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.